Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn what is software development services. Software development services refer to professional offerings provided by companies or individuals to design, create, maintain, and support software applications or systems for clients. These services cater to the specific needs of businesses, organizations, or individuals who lack the expertise, resources, or time to develop software solutions on their own. Typically, software development services encompass various stages of the software development life cycle, including requirements gathering, understanding the client's needs, objectives, and desired functionalities for the software. Design, creating a blueprint or architecture for the software, including user interfaces, database structures, and system interactions. Development, writing the actual code and implementing the designed software based on the agreed-upon specifications. Testing, conduct thorough testing to identify and fix any defects or bugs in the software to ensure it functions as intended. Deployment, releasing the software for use in the client's environment, which may involve installation, configuration, and integration with existing systems. Maintenance and support, providing ongoing support, updates, and enhancements to the software to keep it functioning optimally and up to date with changing requirements. Software development services can cover a wide range of technologies and platforms, including web development, mobile app development, desktop applications, enterprise software, cloud-based solutions, and more. Companies offering software development services may have expertise in various programming languages, frameworks, and development methodologies, allowing them to tailor solutions according to their clients' specific requirements. When seeking software development services, it's essential to choose a reputable and experienced provider with a track record of delivering high-quality solutions on time and within budget. This can be achieved through a careful evaluation of the provider's portfolio, client testimonials, and relevant expertise in the desired technology stack.
Hiring developers for startups is a crucial process that can significantly impact the success of your venture. Here are some tips to consider when seeking software development services for your startup. One, define your project and needs clearly. Before you start looking for developers, have a clear understanding of your project's scope, goals, and technical requirements. Document your project's specifications, features, and functionalities to provide a comprehensive overview to potential developers. 2. Choose the right development model. Decide whether you want to hire in-house developers, work with freelancers, or hire a development agency. Each option has its pros and cons, so consider your budget, timeline, and the level of control you want over the development process. 3. Evaluate skills and expertise. Look for developers who have experience and skills relevant to your project's technology stack. Check their portfolios, past projects, and any open-source contributions to assess their expertise. 4. Cultural fit. Cultural fit is important, especially in a startup environment where collaboration and adaptability are crucial. Look for developers who share your startup's values and can thrive in a fast-paced, dynamic atmosphere. 5. Technical assessments. Consider conducting technical assessments or coding tests as part of your hiring process. This can help you evaluate a developer's problem-solving skills, coding abilities, and their approach to challenges. Six. Communication skills. Effective communication is essential for remote or collaborative work. Ensure that the developers you're considering have strong communication skills to keep you updated on progress, challenges, and milestones. 7. Start small. Consider starting with a smaller project or a trial period before committing to a long-term arrangement. This allows you to assess the developer's performance, reliability, and compatibility with your team. 8. Check references. Contact references from their previous projects to gain insights into their work ethic, reliability, and how well they collaborate with others. 9. Transparency and documentation. Ensure that the developers you hire are committed to maintaining transparent documentation of the code they write. Clear documentation will be invaluable for future maintenance and scalability. 10. Long-term perspective. Consider developers who not only meet your immediate needs but can also adapt and contribute as your startup grows. Scalability and flexibility are key traits to look for. NDA and intellectual property. If your project involves sensitive information or unique ideas, ensure that the developers are willing to sign non-disclosure agreements to protect your intellectual property. 12. Budget and rates. While cost is a factor, don't compromise quality for the sake of a lower price. Consider the value that skilled developers can bring to your project in the long run. 13. Project management. If you're not tech-savvy yourself, consider having a project manager or technical lead who can bridge the gap between your vision and the development team's work. 14. Collaboration tools. Ensure that the developers are comfortable using collaboration tools like project management software, version control systems, and communication platforms to streamline work. 15. Legal agreements. Draft clear and comprehensive contracts that outline the scope of work, timelines, payment terms, and any other relevant terms. This protects both you and the developers. Remember that finding the right developers is an ongoing process. Continuous communication, regular updates, and a healthy working relationship are key to successful collaboration.